So we have been using any or empty interface a lot because that's a very useful data type in Go. Okay. One question I ask you here, a simple thing. Type IMT is an interface which doesn't contain any method signatures or definitions. So IMT is an interface which doesn't doesn't contain any method signatures. Which type implements this interface? Technically, every type implement this interface. This is one of the wonderful design I always, feel in Go, because if it is not in Go, if it is in Java, C Sharp or any other programming language, okay, int doesn't support this. If, for example, int has to implement this interface, you need to exactly go to int and then say that implements IMT, float implements IMT, rect implements IMT. But in Go, actually, if any type, a concrete type or any built-in type, that generally built-in types implement only empty interfaces, because built-in types doesn't come with any methods. Like you don't get int dot to string, you don't get int dot to get hash code, etc., etc. So you don't. So every type implement this interface exactly like any. This is one of the best design decisions that I always fond of, actually. I always say it's a wonderful design. The reason is where num is int, where OK is bool, where str is string. I can give where IMT is IMT equal to num, IMT equal to OK, IMT equal to str. You can do this exactly like any. The way it's exactly like any. There is no one rule for any and then there is no separate rule for any. It's nothing but any. But you have implemented with your own name. It's not a type alias. Remember that type alias is different. This is a new type in which is an interface which is called IMT. Every type that it implements this particular interface. How can every type implement this particular interface? Because it doesn't contain any methods. This interface contains doesn't contain any method. This interface doesn't contain. So every type satisfies this interface. Every type satisfies this interface. You can see this. Similarly, you can also use type assertion. Let's say I want to put back IMT to string here. Let's say str1 and then OK equal to IMT dot string. You know what is this? Type assertion. Like a normal type assertion, you are asserting it. For example, I create a type called rect with L comma here. Okay, put it as okay one. I put now I create a rectangle. So what I do is I create IMT equal to rect of some type. Okay, I create IMT equal to rect of some type. Then I can get it back, which we call it as a type assertion. But what type is there inside IMT? IMT has got a type called pointer of rect. Remember that you have to be very, very careful. That means R1, comma, OK, 1. You can use the same thing, no problem, because the same variable you can use. IMT dot, it's not rect, which is called pointer of rect. That's the difference. You can type assert it back, assert it to a normal. This is a rectangle variable. Okay, you have to check whether okay is true or false, something like that. If okay 1, that means okay is true, else even you can use this IMT interface. Not only IMT, any interface, you can also use it for the type switch. You know the type switch, right? Case each type you put, that also you can do. You can get back the type from an interface, whether it is an interface without any method signatures or interface with methods. You can get the actually what type, what concrete type that interface has got. This is exactly the same. Many people think that any is different than this one. Any is exactly the same as this. Got it. I just why it's printing as a, because here we are not checking. So if you want OK1, that means OK1 is true. Okay, else could not assert it to string. Okay, because we could assert it to string. Let me do, instead of put, I put just integer. Could not assert it to int here. Go run. Could not assert it to int because the value that it has got just before this is a string. So it cannot assert it to integer. That we already knew this concept. So the type assertion is same whether it is an empty interface or it is a the interface that you have created. The concept is same. Okay, this is how the empty interface working go. Again, the concept is same whether it is an empty interface, something like any, or even if you create your own empty interface and then do it, the concept is same.